As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Polkadot cost will hit $10 toward the finish of 2026. Polkadot value expectation 2023 to 2024. Polkadot cost began in 2023 at $4.28. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $6.05. So the cost expanded by 41% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.04. And the year-to-year change plus 88%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 33%. In 2023, we hope to see $7.01 per one Polkadot. In the principal half of 2024, the Polkadot cost will drop to $6.93. In the final part, the cost would add 46 cents and close the year at $7.39, which is plus 22% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later close to days and months. Saturday, blemish 4 $6.06. Sunday, blemish 5 $6.07. Monday, blemish 6 $6.07. Tuesday, blemish 7 $6.08. Wednesday, blemish 8 $6.09. Thursday, blemish 9 $6.10. Friday, blemish 10 $6.11. Saturday, blemish 11 $6.11. March 15 $6.15. April 15 $6.40. May 15 $6.64. June 15 $6.89. July 15 $7.09. August 15 $7.27. Polkadot forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Polkadot cost would move from $7.39 to $16.78, which is up 127%. Polkadot will begin 2025 at $7.39, then, at that point, take off to $7.69 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $8.68. That implies plus 43% from today. Polkadot expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $16.78 to $19.62, which is plus 17%. Polkadot will begin 2030 at $16.78, then, at that point, take off to $17.79 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $18.79. It is about plus 211% from today. Polkadot value forecast 2023 to 2024. Polkadot cost began in 2023 at $4.28. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $6.20. So the cost expanded by 45% from the very outset of the year. The determined Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.89, and the year-to-year change plus 61%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 11%. In 2023, we hope to see $6.33 per one Polkadot. In the primary portion of 2024, the Polkadot cost will drop to $6.49. In the last part, the cost would lose 2 cents and close the year at $6.47, which is plus 4% to the ongoing cost. Polkadot expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Polkadot cost would move from $6.47 to $14.26, which is up 120%. Polkadot will begin 2025 at $6.47, then, at that point, take off to $7.30 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $7.74. That implies plus 25% from today. Polkadot expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $14.26 to $17.01, which is plus 19%. Polkadot will begin 2030 at $14.26, then take off to $14.26 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $15.06. It is about plus 143% from today. 2023 Polkadot value forecast 2023 to 2024. Polkadot cost began in 2023 at $4.28. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $6.24, so the cost expanded by 46% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.88, and the year-to-year change plus 61%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 10%. In 2023, we hope to see $6.32 per one Polkadot. In the primary portion of 2024, the Polkadot cost will drop to $6.48. In the last part, the cost would lose 2 cents and close the year at $6.46, which is plus 3% to the ongoing cost. Polkadot expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Polkadot cost would move from $6.46 to $14.25, which is up 121%. Polkadot will begin 2025 at $6.46, then take off to $7.29 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $7.73. That implies plus 24% from today. Polkadot expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $14.25 to $17, which is plus 19%. Polkadot will begin 2030 at $14.25, then, at that point, take off to $14.25 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $15.05. It is about plus 141% from today. 1/15/2023 Polkadot value forecast 2023 to 2024 Polkadot cost began in 2023 at $4.28. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $5.89, so the cost expanded by 38% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.66, and the year-to-year change plus 55%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 13%. In 2023, we hope to see $7.73 per one Polkadot. In the primary portion of 2024, the Polkadot cost will move to $7.11. In the last part, the cost would add 29 cents and close the year at $7.40, which is plus 26% to the ongoing cost. Polkadot expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Polkadot cost would move from $7.40 to $18.02, which is up 144%. Polkadot will begin 2025 at $7.40, then, at that point, take off to $8.35 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $9.24. That implies plus 57% from today. Polkadot forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Polkadot cost would ascend from $18.02 to $19.99, which is plus 11%. Polkadot will begin 2030 at $18.02, then take off to $19.10 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $20.17. It is about plus 242% from today. 1/1/2023 Polkadot value forecast 2023 to 2024 Polkadot cost began in 2023 at $4.28. Today, Polkadot exchanged at $4.30. So the cost diminished by 0% from the very start of the year. The estimated Polkadot cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.57.